let's do a squishy haul because I haven't done this yet and I need to show you my squishies. And hopefully my nails don't pop off because I glued them on for this very moment. First is this duck. I took out all the air. After this video, I'm going to do clean my squishies with me. So yeah, go ahead and watch that. So the duck. Okay, so next I have this sand ball. If you guys don't like nail digging, you might not want to watch this video. This was my second Neato, and it's the pink cat, cool cat. Next I have a slow rise capybara. Well, not really slow, it's really fast. Next I have this homemade squishy. Next I have this orange dumpling. Next I have this purple dumpling. Are you kidding me? What if the nails broke? Okay, got that nail back on. Next I have this pink dumpling. This time you guys actually get to see the face. The other one didn't. I didn't turn it the right way. Next is this one. I took the air out of it. Next I have this purple Neato. Then I have the same thing but pink. Okay, then I have this like diamond Neato. Okay, now the last two. I have the butter. Okay, the next one you guys already probably know. Okay, what goes with butter? You said cheese? You're right. Okay, well, those are all my squishies. Go to the video where I clean my squishies.